Let's see here. Okay, so we can start eating some of these apples. There we go. How's it going? We're good, we're good, we're good. Dang dude, don't normally see this amount of viewers for this game. How's it going, Peaky Cheeks? Thank you so much for the follow, Peaky Cheeks. Much appreciated. Also, for anyone who's new here, my name's Cows, or Tyson from Vancouver, Canada. I love crafting survival games. But I wanted to play a story-driven game. This one was heavily recommended. 1 for its difficulty, and 2 for gameplay and story. So it's been so far I've been enjoying it. I'm still kind of like feel like Bad for Life. Thank you so much for the follow. I much appreciate it. Yeah, typically in a game I will do everything I can to try to avoid spoilers before I play a game. I generally won't even watch a trailer. I do this for movies and games, and I kind of go in as blind as humanly possible. Sometimes I don't even know what kind of game it is. But yeah, so that's why sometimes you'll see me like just walking back and forth, because I'm literally going in with like 0 information. I will not spoil Spider-Man's in this game. Fuck, I knew he originated from years in the past. I can't wait for the 3rd installment of what was it? Spider-Verse. I really like the 2nd one. Where the fuck am I? Oh, yeah, there we go. You liked it too? Yeah. Did you go to the theaters, Peaky Cheeks, for it? Yeah, damn. Without giving it away for anyone who hasn't seen it, was there a lot of like, "Oh, come on" at the end of the movie? $1000%? Yeah. My God, I was on the edge of my seat. I was so into the movie, and then, fuck. There we go. Lekabel, thank you so much for the follow. Very much appreciate it. We're probably going to be playing this game for probably closer to another 4 hours, and then I think I'll be switching off to something multiplayer with a buddy of mine. But I'm going to try and do this as much as possible. I stream every night except for Wednesdays. Right now, it's a little bit up in the air because I have my grandmother visiting, so there's going to be a couple. I won't be streaming as early as I normally would on Sundays. Tomorrow, I'm taking her, or we're taking her out for breakfast, and her breakfast is like waking up at like 11:30 a.m. There we go. Grandma's more important. Grandma is very important. It's really nice to see her because I don't see her enough. My babushka. Looking for a local dude.
I'm looking for the local group. Well, you found the lady. Well, that whore. Try it. God be with you. I could do with a bite to eat.
Oh yeah, we gotta talk to But the reason I'm skipping the dialogue is because we just did this horse thing, and then I rode my horse, got ambushed by like 10 farmers and a dog, and died. So, and I forgot to save. So that's why I'm rushing through this combat conversation. Where is Vashik? He was here last time. Yeah, I would never just skip story, no matter how small, on my first playthrough. Weird, he was like right here. Where is Mr. Horse Trader? I'll trade. Skill and comparison is known to a horse. Bridle. This dude? Today, ooh, damn, okay. Okay. I love how many, like, different things there are in this game. To, like, upgrade. That's weird. Kaz hasn't bought it for me yet. There will be an icon for the dude. Yeah, no, I'm aware about the icons, but unless I'm really close to the person, I don't see them usually because of the hardcore mode. No, it's the same thing. It's the same thing on the map, unless I'm close. It's only for like very specific quests that I'll see the icon in the game. No, it's normal. It's on hardcore mode. On hardcore, you don't, unless you're close to the objective. It has to be like a dedicated mission for it to actually show up on the map. But if it's like a side, if it's a side thing, then it doesn't show up. Like if it's a part of a mission. For example, like I'm supposed to find a horse, find wine, and find something else. All three of them don't show up on the map. It's like I have to go around and talk to people and kind of like look around. Do. Fucking Vashik. Oh wait, I think this is him right here. Hey.
My respects to you.
The roan for Lady Stephanie.
I heard you have a way with the horse that unsaddles everyone else. Yes.
Yeah.
And how do you do it?
You spoil a game mechanic? Oh, I won't read anything up above that point if that's the case.
Listen, Vashek. I've been entrusted by the Lady of Talmberg. I need you to help me understand how to calm down that roan. Lady Stephanie? Then you know her?
she's a good person. She even talks.
She's a good person.
And 2, that's it.
Thank you.
And then we're good.
Definitely the first horse I've ever serenaded. 2 horses come running in the merry month of May. Raisins.
All right. We are going to. I kind of want to go get that knife. But I should probably. Oh no, we did grab it. What do we want to do first? Okay. Keep going. Yeah, I'm worried to look at this. Worried to look at the chat. I'll say this though before, like, I won't read anything above just in case. If I want help, I'll definitely ask for it. Even if it's like a simple game mechanic or whatever like that. Sometimes people find it quite funny watching me walk around like an idiot missing stuff. Sometimes it's something super simple. Sometimes it's super complicated. But I'll definitely, if I am feeling like stuck, I will 100% ask. I am totally okay with failure and beating my head against a wall or finding out something like 500 hours into a game, because that would also make it funny. A moment being like, oh, what the fuck? I could do this the whole time. So yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, let's go. Let's drink a thing. Let's go. Wait, wrong way. This is a big orange tabby. We call him Garfield. I miss Garfield. Garfield and Normal and Odie and John. Didn't John have a girlfriend at one point? It's like a weird relationship. I had a girlfriend at one point. Let's just say you don't trust him before. Yeah, I was just gonna say, you're 16. I'm 16 and done a lot of dumb shit. You regret already? Yeah, but everybody does. Some life choices will affect you though, and it will affect everybody. Everyone's going through something. Everyone's got regrets. Your weed addiction. A lot of people have different addictions to different things, some better than others. Some things you're gonna feel like I'll never be able to stop, and then like 8 years from now, something will click, and you're gonna be like, wait a minute, that was the easiest thing to stop. Why did I not try this? Oh, let's see. I want to figure out where I am right now. I can't remember. I got so sidetracked. See if these guys are bad. I think these guys are camp. No, they're good. Oh wait, we're here. Oh shit. We go across. Okay, I see. So let's just go across and back up. You're gonna be just fine? Yeah, exactly. Have you saved? Yeah, we drank a little bit of the schnapps. I can't wait to come back and just start being able to murder some of these camps. We're all sitting here watching Cow Street. None of us are. I'm not mentally okay right now. You gotta listen to Knitted all day. It's fucking. I don't sleep after that. That burp made you feel good? Honestly, burping is like the biggest life-changing thing that happened to me. Not being able to burp for 28 years, that has an effect on you. Some people think I love them, but you don't. Wow. Let's see how it is, Winter. Abby is jealous. I was always jealous of my exes with their burping. You know, going on a date and they just let this huge burp at the dinner table go, and then I'm staring at them and they're like, "I'm so sorry." And it's like, no, I'm actually jealous. Teach me. Teach me. I haven't really learned the city yet. Oh yeah, it's we came up this way, so it's up the right side. I learned, I did. Scared some conservative parents along the way. Vim's never heard that story before? Vim's has to have heard that story. What? Wait, why did I come here? Oh yeah, I was gonna drop off the horse, but since I don't have a horse, I kind of want to use it to get the other stuff. What was the quest again? Buy wine from a merchant and what the fuck is that? Okay. That's pretty far away. But let's go see. Let's go see a new area. Actually, let's take a look at my reputation too. Player reputation. No, they still have this. So looks like we still owe money at those places or whatever. We might just have to go and see what crime we committed, or which one they saw me do. What would be the fastest way out and around? Right through the farm, the burnt out farm. I'm so scared to run over one of these random guards. Sometimes they just come out of nowhere. Could be like Grand Theft Auto when someone just runs across the street. The herd. Shrine, and then I really like the world. I think they did a really good job of map design. If only like crafting survival games did this. Is it alright if I post a video in the server somewhere it has a bong scene on the table? So I don't know if you want me. Preferably not. I don't really see. Personally, I don't really see the point of that, but. Windmill.
Hey, who's there?
Windmill. What? Oh wait, where did we go then? Oh, that was the burnt out farmland. Okay. I kind of wish more games would do this. Make it so you can't see the GPS. It does slow down the gameplay a bit, but I'm quite liking it.
Who's? Hey.
Okay, so now we do want to go this way.
Damn it, I'm hungry.
Should I have stopped and eaten some food? Accident. Last time we got something good out of this, so let's what the fuck? Oh, it's X. Hopefully Rowan doesn't get jacked while we're gone.
I'll have to get something to eat. I'm starting to get hungry.
Buck's blood pot. Powerful stamina potion improve your endurance for 10 minutes. That's pretty sweet. Soothes your stomach in case of food poisoning, overeating, reduces overstomach for 20, and cures food poisoning. Nice. That's a lot of money. Big, Boo Bad World, all the things I could buy. Whoops. Lazarus potion. Takes in the space of 5 minutes, adds 100 to spell hangover. Oh. And work of art. Nice. We like accents. Where is that? Oh, there's 2 accents. Oh, that's the same one, but let's see.
So what? Want me to sing? Definitely
Oh,
the first horse I've ever seen.
Worry we're gonna get ambushed again. The chair has joysticks for flight sim, a keyboard that can a keyboard that can move where you want it, 2 rooms, mouse, 2 TVs, and has the screens with 2 PCs plus the joy. That's your setup or just a setup you found? You did just save, but I'm wondering. Are you a bad guy?
Well, you still gonna throw me off?
Blacksmith. I don't trust anyone. We got trust issues with this game already. Another accent? So weird pressing E. I mean, not pressing E to get off. All the games I play, it's E. It's definitely gonna mess me up more than once. No, borrowing it. No, we're just taking a detour to the quest. We don't have a horse, so we have to bring all 3 things to them. And since I don't have one, I'm like, you know what? We'll just, you know, take this one. And then when we come to her, we're gonna be like, hey, here's all 3 things. She's gonna be like, oh my god, Henry, you're the greatest. I also like how just like everything's just falling apart. Like every little bridge for every bridge, for every creek isn't like nice. Like everything looks handmade. Like even some of the bridges with the logs, they're not flat or flush. They're just someone put them together and we're just like, eh, good enough. Why did it get super focused? I feel like there was an enemy. Oh shit. Big fucking map. Wait, did I go the wrong? I went the wrong way. Oh no. This is out. And that must be okay. We kept going down this way. I don't trust those encampments. I guess you see a big tomato tomorrow. Gonna pick up my buddy, hit up a park and hang out, and go to pick up another buddy. Lord of the Rings. You gonna rewatch Lord of the Rings? You gonna watch all three, or do you have a specific one you're gonna watch? Oops. Try to watch them all. I've done that many times, but then pass out. I have a hard time getting through the first one. I don't make it through the first, yeah. I like it, but it's nothing compared to the second one and third one.
First one is brown and the second is gray.
This is tripping me out.
Shall I ride to my maiden?
I don't know if it's doing that to you guys, but my headphones, it's every other word, it's switching. It's fucking like, feels like it's tickling me. Your audio's fine? Yeah, I think it's... No, yeah, definitely my headset. My headset's sometimes a little bit funky. Tanner? Fucking Tanner. That's not who we want to talk to. You gonna fall asleep? Go right ahead. I'm glad if I can. Some people struggle with falling asleep. And I typically don't have any like yelling or screaming. It's usually just chill. Just hanging out.